No way on the subway between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. since May. The last train at stations is in the 12 o'clock hour. Different times for the first train, too. Look to the bus.
The suspension has also been incredibly difficult on the working class, people of color, and especially our essential workers.
New York City Council's Transportation Committee gets to question MTA officials about money and projects. This one was called MTA in the era of COVID-19. NYC Council member Brad Lander of Brooklyn put it another way.
I believe that you're engaged in hygiene theater. I think it's a cynical approach. The science would support reopening the subways overnight in a way that was safe.
The MTA has always said the overnight closures are for disinfecting. Officials say the closure allows transit crews to make sure all trains are given deep cleanings and disinfecting during a 24-hour period. Could the overnight closures be shorter? Asks Committee Chair Adonis Rodriguez from Washington Heights. MTA Chairman Pat Foy says it was considered but ruled out.
Can't be disinfected in the period of time that it can be if the customers are not there. It's just a reality. It's also, frankly, safer for customers and for the employees doing the work.
City Council Speaker Corey Johnson wants to know specifics about reopening.
What are the metrics and milestones that will be used besides when the pandemic is over for us to be able to safely reopen?
I'm not going to express a view on that. I'm going to leave that to the federal CDC, to the governor, to Dr. Zucker at the state health department. But we've been clear from the beginning. We close 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. with great reluctance.
There's also a conversation going on out there, and it came up at today's hearing. Electeds and advocates have been questioning the role of safety, people who are homeless or are facing mental crisis within the system. And the MTA did say it needs additional support from the NYPD and the City of New York in that area. Live along the Grand Concourse, Greg Walker, Pix 11 News.